Hello students, in our previous class we have learned the formula how to find the sum of n terms and we have solved some problems also. Today again we will continue the problems related to it. Now see, under this our question is, if the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. Here we have to find the 20th term. So for this what we have to do here, what we have given here S14, we have given S14 is equals to how much? 1050. Okay, in the solution part we have given here S14 is equals to how much? 1050 and n is equals to how much? 14 and a is equals to how much? 10 and we have to find which term? The 20th term. So we know what we know that we have to write. We know that, you tell what we know, Sn. Sn is equals to what? Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus what? N minus 1 d. Let us substitute all the values. So this equals to 1050. 1015 is equals to 1050 is equals to 14 by 2, 2a. So 2 into 10. 2 into 10 plus n minus 1d. So 14 minus 1d. Is that okay? So 14 minus 1d. So this becomes how much? 1050 is equals to 14 by 2. You can write 7. 20 plus how much? 13d. Now let us solve this. So let us solve this. So here we can write this as 1050 is equals to 2 7 ja 14. Okay, 2 7 ja 14, 7 2 ja 140 plus how much? 13 7 ja 91d. Is that okay? So this becomes how much? 140 plus 91d. Now let's solve this. 1050 minus 140 is equals to how much? 91d. So you people tell, other will be what? Other will be, this becomes how much? 1050 minus 140 is equals to how much? 910 is equals to 91d. So we can write, what we can write? D is equals to how much? 10. D is equals to how much? That implies D is equals to 910 by 91. So D is equals to 10. So therefore we can write what? Therefore we can write A20. So A20 is equals to how much? A20 is equals to how much? A plus 19D. So 10 plus 20 minus 1 into 10. So this becomes how much? 10 plus how much? 20 minus 1, 19, 190. So this becomes how much? 190 plus 10 becomes how much? 200. So we can say that, that is 20th term is how much? 20th term is how much? 200. Is that okay? This is not that much tough. Now just see the next question. Now see, our next question is, how many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 and so on must be taken so that their sum is how much? 78. So here Sn we are given how much? Here just you see, here A is equals to 24. Okay, D is equals to how much? 21 minus 24, that is minus 3, and Sn is equals to given how much? Sn is equals to given 78. So what we have to find? N is equals to what? Okay, so we know that what we know Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Same formula. Is that okay? So Sn 78, n we have to find, n by 2, 2a. So 2 into 24. Okay. Plus n minus 1 and at the place of d, what we will write? Minus 3 because we got d how much? Minus 3. Is that okay? Now just let us calculate it. So here 78 is equals to this. You can take 2 here also. Just let us write n by 2. 24 to the how much? 48. Okay, here it will be minus 3 into n, minus 3n plus 3. Is that okay? So 78 is equals to, here you see n by 2. Is that okay? N by 2, 48 plus 3, 51 minus 3n. Is that okay? So just let us solve this. 78 into 2 is equals to how much? This we have taken there. So 51n minus 3n square. So just let us solve this by splitting the middle term. 2 8 is 16, 2 7 is 14, 1 15, 2 8 is 16, 2 7 is 14, 1 15, 156 is equals to 51n minus 3n square. So just let us arrange this you bring it here, 3n square minus 51n, then plus 156 is equals to 0. So here just see, we have got 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equals to 0. So this what we can write, n square minus 17n, okay, plus 52 is equals to 0. Just you break it. For again how much? 14 17. So how much? Minus 13 minus 4 and 13 4 ja 52. So here just you write n square minus how much? 17. So minus 13 n minus 4n plus 52 is equals to 0. After solving, n you take common, n minus 13, and you take how much common? Minus 4 you take common, n minus 13 is equals to 0. So here n minus 13 and n minus 4 is equals to 0. So finally we got n is equals to 13 and n is equals to 4. Is that okay? So what we will write? So the number of terms, so we can write, so the number of terms is either, you tell, is either what? 4 or 13. Is that okay, students? So in that way we can solve many problems related to it. Is that okay? So this much for this class, and rest in the next class. So stay safe, stay happy, and have a good day.